me see. All right, what's up guys? Back at Carson's today. Still working on the trucks. Carson's working on taking his fenders off. Took it off on this side. Looks pretty sick. He just ordered, Carson, are they 6-inch flares from McNeil?
Yeah.
Do you know if they have any rise?
It doesn't say, but probably a little bit. Yeah.
Probably a little bit. But looks pretty crazy.
6-inch McNeil.
6-inch McNeil.
Pretty aggressive.
Working on taking this one off. Oh. Pretty much off. So let's go look at your thing. So here's his arms that he extended, 5 inches per side. He's got one side mocked up so far. Carson, this is chromoly, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you know how thick it is?
1.125 or whatever.
Oh yeah. And then today you're extending your tie rods.
Yeah.
And boxing the lower arms?
Yeah.
Dang. Alright. Looking good, sir. Let's go take a look at the Bronco.
And the shock hoop.
Oh yeah, and the shock hoop.
And make shock hoop.
So here's what's going on with the Bronco today. It's apart again. So we're making bump stop mounts. So we jacked it up to see where the bump would mount on this doubler plate that we bought from Solo Motorsports to reinforce the radius arm, so the bump stop, or the bumps can hit this without bending the whole radius arm, and it'll give it some extra strength. So we've been thinking that the bumps will mount right here, bump to here, and then it's a very slight angle that they have to come off the frame. So here's like the little mounts we've been making. You can see it's a very slight angle. The cans will mount to them like this. Oh dang, got it off. Yeah. Look at that. Ready for some glass. So this will mount right here and kick it out at a slight angle off the frame. So we gotta get this tacked up and take it down to orange, and my buddy is gonna weld it up, and we also have to do limit straps today, so let me take you through that. So the top of the limit straps will mount right here where this bolt is inside the frame, and they'll come down to the radius arm right here. So what we have to do is measure this and weld the plate in the inside of here, so the limit strap can just hold that limit strap, make sure it doesn't hit the frame, and we'll be good to go. So on the Bronco, we're going to be using these 2-inch stroke bump stops. And let me come down here. So for any of you who don't know how bump stops work, the bumps are pretty much only used for the last 2 inches of travel before the shock bottoms out. And so when you hit a hard jump, it basically catches that last 2 inches, and these are pretty stiff. They're pretty compressed inside, and so they really catch it and make it as smooth as possible. And limit straps are so when you do jump and your suspension drops out, the limit straps will hold it about ½ an inch before the shock bottoms out, so you're not ripping the shaft out of the shock itself, because that could potentially do some pretty bad damage to your shock. So yeah, I'm gonna finish making those mounts and mock them up and probably tack weld them on, and then have my buddy weld them. So as you can see, we've traced the bump stop mounts onto this metal. So now we're going to cut this one out and one more, and then we'll have all 4 for both sides. We'll tack them up, make sure they sit right, and then drive them down to get welded. Alright, so now that we got the mounts made, we're just going to tack them up, and then after we get them tacked to the cans, we'll tack them to the car, drive them down, get them fully welded. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Alright guys, we're at Brian's shop today. Well, this is the same video, but later on in the video. Gonna be welding it up. Looking pretty sweet. Say what's up to Brian. Brian, say what's up to the video.
What's up, video?
We're gonna be playing some fat beats today, yeah? Alright guys, we just got done at Brian's shop, and look at these welds. Super nice. Super nice. Got them down on the inside too. So what these, oh crap. What these mounts are made to do are to basically just kick it out. So this is at an angle a little bit. So it's angled away from the frame a little bit, so when the beams come up, it can bump on the top of the radius arm and have this plastic part be flat instead of bumping at an angle. So he also welded the doubler plates. Again, super nice welds. But yeah, huge shout out to Brian for helping us out with all that stuff. Looks super good. Alright Carson, you're the outro. Say what you gotta say.
I got nothing to say.